Hello friends and good evening. Welcome to the post market review. Friends, today is the first day after the expiry session of the May, and the first day post the expiry session market has opened in the negative territory. Market opened at the 4910, and the initial 2 to 3 hours market has traded in very thin range of 20 to 30 points up and down consistently. Post announcement of the auto numbers from the leading auto companies, market has started slowly falling, and further announcement and numbers from the Eurozone has dragged the market further down. On the global front, Eurozone has announced unemployment numbers, which was the all-time high of 11%. That is a 17.4 million people are unemployed in the Eurozone, which has started pumping further fuels in the market and dragged down. On the today closing, market has fallen by 84 points and closed at around 4835, where the Sensex closed at once again below 16,000 at 15,996, which was a down by 254 points. On the auto front, auto companies has announced their number, where except Mahindra and Mahindra, all other three auto companies, that is a TVS Motors, Tata Motors and Maruti, has disappointed the market. Maruti has and TVS Motors has announced negative growth, while Tata Motors has announced meager 3.4% growth in their sales number. Mahindra has reported good numbers on the SUV and the auto car segment, while tractor side Mahindra has reported flat growth on the year-on-year basis. Friends, on the segment wise and sector wise, today the worst performing segment was the capital goods, the second worst performing segment was the power, and the third one was the auto. Capital goods and the power index was a drag downside by the BHEL, L&T, Reliance Infra, while auto index has dragged down by the Tata Motors and the Maruti. Because of that, Sensex is down by around 1.5%. While on the today, again we have seen some good action and positive movement in the FMCG sector, which was the lead by ITC, where today ITC has up by around 1.5%, and which has reason the FMCG segment closed in the positive zone. During the last half an hour of the session, we got some good positive news from the Delhi High Court, where the Delhi High Court has given his verdict in favor of Indraprasth Gas Limited. A long-awaited decision came in favor of Indraprasth Gas, while the PNGRB, that is our natural gas board, and the fight between Indraprasth Gas, Delhi High Court has given favorable judgment for the Indraprasth Gas, where they said that board doesn't have any rights to decide gas price and they cannot interfere. Now we have to wait whether they are going for further appeal in the Supreme Court or not. But because of favorable judgment, today we have seen good action in the Indraprasth Gas, Petronet LNG, GAIL and the Gujarat Gas, where all four counters we have seen good movement, and the Indraprasth Gas was closed at up by 20% plus. Friends, today we have on the global side, we have to watch some very critical numbers announcement from the USA, where US will be going to announce their non-farm payroll numbers. Already I told that on the Eurozone front, they have announced their unemployment numbers, which was one of the reasons that entire world market and Indian market has fallen. Post announcement today, DAX and the CAX both are trading in the negative zone, where DAX is down by around 2% and the CAX is down by around 1.5%.